Hey guys, I just finished installing this pressure relief gauge on top of this clean and clear filter here. You can see that it's brand new. This is my old one here, and it pretty much started leaking at the bottom over here, so it was time to replace it. There is an O-ring down here that you can see it's kind of disappeared over time. That's why it's leaking. And then what you want to do is when you're installing this, it will come in two pieces. Basically the gauge up here, you're going to have to screw that onto the base piece here. This piece that's in between, right over here, you want to make sure you put some Teflon tape. It comes with this in the box, so you get Teflon tape. So make sure you put Teflon tape clockwise on the stem here. And then at the bottom right here, this piece down here, this piece, you also want to put Teflon tape down there as well. And clockwise to make sure you get it threaded in because you're turning it. And then this is pretty much all you have to do. Turn your pump off, release the pressure inside. You'll hear that hissing sound, the shh, to release the pressure. Once you hear that's gone, just twist the bottom base piece, twist it off, comes off just like that. Put the new one on, tighten it, turn your pump back on, and then wait for the water to shoot out. Once it shoots out, you just close your valve and you're all set. No more leaks anymore.
We hope this review helps.